Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make peach cobbler, full guide. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees F and prepare 2 to 3 ripe peaches by peeling, pitting, and slicing them into uniform pieces. Toss the peaches with sugar, a splash of lemon juice, and a pinch of cinnamon. Melt butter in your baking dish, sprinkle a simple flour and baking powder batter over the fruit, and bake until bubbling and golden. For the fruit filling, I recommend tasting your peaches first and adjusting sugar to preference. Sweeter fruit needs less sugar. Slice peaches evenly so they cook at the same rate and toss them with 1/2 cup sugar, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch to absorb excess juice without making the cobbler soggy. Spread the mixture evenly in the buttered dish before topping. In this video, I will show how to make peach cobbler, full guide. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes hands-free timers, step reminders, and adds music while you bake, which keeps your hands free for stirring and prevents burnt edges. It's compact, easy to use, and fits neatly on a counter without taking space. If that sounds helpful, check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. For the topping, whisk together 1 cup flour, 1/4 teaspoons baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Then stir in 3/4 cup milk and 1 egg until just combined. Pour the batter gently over the peaches. It will bubble up and form a rustic crust as it bakes. Place in a preheated 375 degrees F oven and bake 35 to 45 minutes until the top is golden and juices are thick. Let rest briefly before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.